It's time for another CAREGO wireless earbuds test and review. Today we have the Y42 Pro. It has responsive touch control, sounds pretty good for the price, and with the case, it has 40 hours of playback. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to enjoy your media too. Inside the box, you have a USB-C charging cable, instructions, a warranty, a charging case, with the display screen that shows the battery level on the front, different sized earbud tips, and then your earbuds. On the side of the earbuds, you have a microphone for hands-free phone calls. And then the actual earpieces fit my ears well and are comfortable to wear. They last 6 hours on a single charge. But the charging case holds a charge, even unplugged. Put in your earbuds, and you can recharge your earbuds, giving you up to 40 hours of playback before you have to charge the case again. Then when you take the earbuds out, they begin pairing and connect to your device quickly. I've been using these earbuds every day this past week, and have been loving them. Whether I'm working on the house, working at the desk, or out on a hiking trail, they stay in my ears and don't fall out. And above all else, they sound pretty good. I was actually surprised with how bassy they are for the price. Other ones that I've tested in this price range don't have as much punch to the song, and sound more tinny. But this
is bassy.
The microphone isn't too bad either. The only downside that I've seen is that they don't have a pass-through mode. But in my experience, earbuds with pass-through mode lose some immersion, even when it's turned off. That being said, my favorite feature by far is the touch features. When you tap the earbud, it actually makes a click sound, so you know when the touch is registered. Most other earbuds I've used, I've avoided the touch controls because I couldn't tell how fast to touch and would mess up what I'm listening to. With this, it's clear when you touch, and the click makes it feel so much more responsive. I also like knowing exactly how much battery is left on the screen. Honestly, I'm surprised it's as good as it is for the price. So if you're looking for some affordable earbuds that are actually bassy, these earbuds from CAREGO might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go listen to some music and edit this video. See ya!